When did you last see the movie?
Kapan terakhir kali kamu menonton film itu?
The moment when the clock strikes midnight is magical.
Saat ketika jam berdentang tengah malam itu ajaib.
This is the spot where the picnic happened last year.
Ini adalah tempat di mana piknik terjadi tahun lalu.
I understand the motive why she chose that path.
Saya memahami motif mengapa dia memilih jalan itu.
Remember the day when we first met online?
Ingat hari ketika kita pertama kali bertemu secara online.
That's the village where my grandparents grew up.
Itu desa di mana kakek nenek saya dibesarkan.
Explain the cause why the machine malfunctioned.
Jelaskan penyebab mengapa mesin rusak.
The era when dinosaurs roamed the earth fascinates me.
Era ketika dinosaurus berkeliaran di bumi memikat saya.
Visit the museum where ancient artifacts are displayed.
Kunjungi museum di mana artefak kuno dipamerkan.
Tell me the logic why this equation works.
Ceritakan logika mengapa persamaan ini berhasil.
We cherish the time when holidays bring joy.
Kami menghargai waktu ketika liburan membawa kegembiraan.
The weather was sunny nonetheless. We brought umbrellas.
Cuaca cerah, meskipun demikian, kami membawa payung.
He missed the bus, hence, he arrived late to work.
Dia ketinggalan bus oleh karena itu, dia tiba terlambat di tempat kerja.
She loves reading. Additionally, she writes stories.
Dia suka membaca selain itu, dia menulis cerita.
The plan failed consequently, we tried a new approach.
Rencana gagal akibatnya, kami mencoba pendekatan baru.
I wanted coffee instead. I chose tea.
Saya ingin kopi sebaliknya, saya memilih teh.
The movie was long. Meanwhile, the audience stayed engaged.
Film itu panjang, sementara itu, penonton tetap terlibat.
He studied math. Likewise, she focused on science.
Dia belajar matematika, demikian pula, dia fokus pada sains.
He lost still. They celebrated their effort.
Dia kalah tetap saja. Mereka merayakan usaha mereka.
It rained heavily thus. The event was indoors.
Hujan deras sehingga acara di dalam ruangan.
She practiced daily. Besides, she sought feedback.
Dia berlatih setiap hari. Selain itu, dia mencari umpan balik.
They attend concerts sporadically when tickets are available.
Mereka menghadiri konser secara sporadis ketika tiket tersedia.
The puzzle was somewhat challenging for beginners.
Teka-teki itu agak menantang bagi pemula.
The news was fairly surprising to everyone.
Berita itu cukup mengejutkan bagi semua orang.
She is barely able to lift the heavy box.
Dia nyaris tidak bisa mengangkat kotak berat itu.
The room was entirely empty when we arrived.
Ruangan itu sepenuhnya kosong ketika kami tiba.
It rained sufficiently to water the plants.
Hujan turun cukup untuk menyirami tanaman.
The performance was highly impressive.
Penampilan itu sangat mengesankan.
He spoke scarcely about his past experiences.
Dia nyaris tidak berbicara tentang pengalaman masa lalunya.
The cake was moderately sweet for my taste.
Kue itu sedang manisnya menurut selera saya.
They were deeply moved by the story.
Mereka sangat terharu oleh cerita itu.
The team will undoubtedly win the championship.
Tim itu pasti akan memenangkan kejuaraan.
She might possibly join us for dinner.
Dia mungkin bergabung dengan kami untuk makan malam.
The event could conceivably be postponed.
Acara itu bisa dibayangkan untuk ditunda.
We are presumably arriving on time.
Kami diduga tiba tepat waktu.
It will likely rain this afternoon.
Mungkin akan hujan sore ini.
The answer is apparently correct.
Jawaban itu tampaknya benar.
She may potentially change her mind.
Dia mungkin berubah pikiran.
He is unquestionably the best candidate.
Dia tidak diragukan lagi kandidat terbaik.
The plan could theoretically work.
Rencana itu secara teori bisa berhasil.
How did the experiment turn out?
Bagaimana hasil eksperimen itu?
When will the concert begin?
Kapan konser akan dimulai?
Where should we meet for coffee?
Di mana kita harus bertemu untuk minum kopi?
Why did the power go out suddenly?
Mengapa listrik mati secara tiba-tiba?
How often do you visit the library?
Seberapa sering kamu mengunjungi perpustakaan?
When does the flight depart?
Kapan penerbangan berangkat?
Where is the nearest hospital located?
Di mana rumah sakit terdekat berada?
Why are the lights flickering?
Mengapa lampu-lampu berkedip?
How far is the beach from here?
Seberapa jauh pantai dari sini?
We walk to school every morning.
Kami berjalan ke sekolah setiap pagi.
The cat sleeps on the bed.
Kucing itu tidur di tempat tidur.
She eats lunch with her coworkers.
Dia makan siang dengan rekan kerjanya.
He drinks tea in the afternoon.
Dia minum teh di sore hari.
They study English at the language school.
Mereka belajar bahasa Inggris di sekolah bahasa.
I play video games with my brother.
Saya bermain video game dengan saudara laki-laki saya.
We listen to music in the car.
Kami mendengarkan musik di mobil.
The flowers bloom in the spring.
Bunga-bunga mekar di musim semi.
She cooks dinner for her family.
Dia memasak makan malam untuk keluarganya.
He runs in the park every morning.
Dia berlari di taman setiap pagi.
They watch the sunset at the beach.
Mereka menonton matahari terbenam di pantai.
I ride the bus to work.
Saya naik bis ke tempat kerja.
We eat pizza for dinner.
Kami makan pizza untuk makan malam.
The birds sing in the trees.
Burung-burung bernyanyi di pepohonan.
She dances at the party.
Dia menari di pesta.
He writes a letter to his grandmother.
Dia menulis surat kepada neneknya.
They play soccer in the park.
Mereka bermain sepak bola di taman.
I cook breakfast for my family.
Saya memasak sarapan untuk keluarga saya.
We swim in the ocean.
Kami berenang di lautan.
The dog barks at strangers.
Anjing itu menggonggong pada orang asing.
She reads a book in the garden.
Dia membaca buku di taman.
He drives a car to work.
Dia mengendarai mobil ke tempat kerja.
They ride bikes in the mountains.
Mereka mengendarai sepeda di pegunungan.
I play tennis with my friends.
Saya bermain tenis dengan teman-teman saya.
We eat dinner at a restaurant.
Kami makan malam di restoran.
The children play games in the playground.
Anak-anak bermain game di taman bermain.
She listens to music on her phone.
Dia mendengarkan musik di teleponnya.
He watches TV in the living room.
Dia menonton TV di ruang tamu.
They run in the marathon every year.
Mereka berlari dalam maraton setiap tahun.
I drink water after exercise.
Saya minum air setelah berolahraga.
He drives a car to the store.
Dia mengemudi mobil ke toko.
They study for the exam.
Mereka belajar untuk ujian.
I swim in the ocean.
Saya berenang di lautan.
We dance at the party.
Kami menari di pesta.
The students listen to the teacher.
Para murid mendengarkan guru.
She cooks dinner for her friends.
Dia memasak makan malam untuk teman-temannya.
He paints a picture of the sunset.
Dia melukis gambar matahari terbenam.
They wait for the bus.
Mereka menunggu bus.
I clean the house every Sunday.
Saya membersihkan rumah setiap hari Minggu.
We play music together.
Kami memainkan musik bersama.
The cat sleeps on the couch.
Kucing itu tidur di sofa.
She studies French in school.
Dia belajar bahasa Prancis di sekolah.
He speaks Spanish fluently.
Dia berbicara bahasa Spanyol lancar.
They watch TV in the living room.
Mereka menonton TV di ruang tamu.
I eat breakfast every morning.
Saya sarapan setiap pagi.
We walk in the park.
Kami berjalan di taman.
The birds fly in the sky.
Burung-burung terbang di langit.
She writes a letter to her friend.
Dia menulis surat kepada temannya.
He plays the guitar at the concert.
Dia memainkan gitar di konser.
They run in the marathon.
Mereka berlari dalam maraton.
I drink coffee in the morning.
Saya minum kopi di pagi hari.
We swim in the lake.
Kami berenang di danau.
The children play in the playground.
Anak-anak bermain di taman bermain.
She rides a horse in the race.
Dia menunggang kuda dalam perlombaan.
He listens to music on his headphones.
Dia mendengarkan musik dengan headphone-nya.
They dance at the wedding.
Mereka menari di pernikahan.
I cook dinner for my family.
Saya memasak makan malam untuk keluarga saya.
We ride bikes in the park.
Kami mengendarai sepeda di taman.
The sun shines brightly in the sky.
Matahari bersinar terang di langit.
She swims in the pool every day.
Dia berenang di kolam renang setiap hari.
He plays basketball with his friends.
Dia bermain basket dengan teman-temannya.
They watch movies together on weekends.
Mereka menonton film bersama di akhir pekan.
I read books in the library.
Saya membaca buku di perpustakaan.
My daddy ate meatball yesterday.
Ayahku makan bakso kemarin.
She is whisper to me about her secret.
Dia membisikkanku tentang rahasianya.
Vayu play a saxophone.
Bayu bermain saksofon.
Tissa jumped from the right side.
Tisa melompat dari sisi kanan.
Are you going to the party?
Apakah kamu pergi ke pesta?
Did you eat breakfast?
Apakah kamu sudah makan sarapan?
Who runs the fastest?
Siapa yang lari paling cepat?
Can you sing a song for me?
Dapatkah kamu menyanyikan lagu untukku?
When do you sleep at night?
Kapan kamu tidur di malam hari?
What are you reading?
Apa yang sedang kamu baca?
Can you write in cursive?
Dapatkah kamu menulis kursif?
Who are you talking to?
Dengan siapa kamu sedang berbicara?
Are you going to dance at the party?
Apakah kamu akan menari di pesta?
Are you studying for the exam?
Apakah kamu sedang belajar untuk ujian?
She eats an apple.
Dia makan apel.
He reads a book.
Dia membaca sebuah buku.
They play soccer every weekend.
Mereka bermain sepak bola setiap akhir pekan.
I study English in the evening.
Saya belajar bahasa Inggris di malam hari.
We watch movies together.
Kami menonton film bersama.
The dog barks loudly.
Anjing itu menggonggong dengan keras.
She sings beautifully.
Dia menyanyi dengan indah.
He dances gracefully.
Dia menari dengan anggun.
They swim in the pool.
Mereka berenang di kolam renang.
I cook dinner for my family.
Saya memasak makan malam untuk keluarga saya.
We walk to school every day.
Kami berjalan ke sekolah setiap hari.
The birds chirp in the morning.
Burung-burung itu berkicau di pagi hari.
He writes poems in his free time.
Dia menulis puisi di waktu luangnya.
She draws pictures of animals.
Dia menggambar-gambar binatang.
They clean their room every Saturday.
Mereka membersihkan kamarnya setiap hari Sabtu.
I ride my bike to work.
Saya mengendarai sepeda ke tempat kerja.
We climb the mountain together.
Kami mendaki gunung bersama.
The baby sleeps peacefully.
Bayi itu tidur dengan tenang.
She laughs at his jokes.
Dia tertawa pada leluconnya.
John visited his friend for a while and then went home.
John mengunjungi temannya sebentar lalu pulang.
The dog ran across the yard.
Anjing itu berlari menyeberangi halaman.
She left in a hurry.
Ia pergi dengan terburu-buru.
She yelled when she hit her toe.
Ia berteriak ketika ia memukul kakinya.
The cat sat by the window.
Kucing tersebut duduk di jendela.
I'll play this song on my guitar.
Aku akan memainkan lagu ini dengan gitarku.
He hit a home run at the last game.
Ia mencetak home run di permainan terakhirnya.
In the summer, we will swim in our pool.
Saat musim panas, kami akan berenang di kolam kami.
Will you help me with the laundry?
Maukah kamu membantuku dengan cucian?
He rode his new bike around the block for hours.
Ia mengendarai sepeda barunya di sekitar komplek dalam beberapa jam.
We eat dinner then walked around the park.
Kami makan malam lalu berjalan di sekitar taman.
Did you fix the mistake in your homework?
Apakah kamu sudah memperbaiki kesalahan yang ada di dalam PR-mu?
She waited for her friend at the mall.
Ia menunggu temannya di mall.
She lay on the couch and slept there all night.
Ia berbaring di sofa dan tidur di sana sepanjang malam.
The teacher reads a book to her students, then asks them questions about the story.
Guru membacakan buku untuk muridnya dan memberikan pertanyaan tentang ceritanya.
The roof on the house leaks.
Atap rumah bocor.
The lightning struck the tree.
Petir menyambar pohon.
They bought a new house.
Mereka membeli rumah baru.
I drink and consume green tea last night.
Aku minum dan mengonsumsi teh hijau tadi malam.
She swept the floor this morning.
Dia menyapu lantai pagi ini.
My mom cleaned our house fastly.
Ibuku membersihkan rumah kami dengan cepat.
My brother write the song alone.
Kakak laki-lakiku menulis lagu itu sendirian.
Maretta buy a photo card at the Shopee.
Maretta membeli sebuah photocard di Shopee.
I washed my hair recently.
Aku mencuci rambutku baru-baru ini.
Millie use a handbag at gala dinner.
Mel menggunakan hanbok di gala dinner.
I gave Joshua a bracelet and ring.
Aku memberikan Joshua sebuah gelang dan cincin.
Richka is waiting her sister at airport.
Rika menunggu kakaknya di bandara.
I walk from Malang to Surabaya.
Aku berjalan dari Malang ke Surabaya.
He is singing Sunday Morning by Maroon.
Dia menyanyi lagu Sunday Morning milik Maroon.
He talks to his boss.
Dia berbicara dengan bosnya.
We laugh at the joke.
Kami tertawa karena lelucon itu.
They sing a song together.
Mereka menfanfikan lagu bersama.
He stops the car.
Dia menghentikan mobil.
We start the game.
Kami memulai permainan.
They finish their homework.
Mereka menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumah.
I turn on the light.
Saya menyalakan lampu.
She turns off the TV.
Dia mematikan TV.
We call our
Kami
friends.
menelpon teman-teman kami.
They check their emails.
Mereka memeriksa email mereka.
I answer the question.
Saya menjawab pertanyaan.
She asks for help.
Dia meminta bantuan.
He explains the lesson.
Dia menjelaskan pelajaran.
They sing a song together.
Mereka menyanyikan lagu bersama.
I dance at the party.
Saya menari di pesta.
She swims in the pool.
Dia berenang di kolam.
He rides a bicycle.
Dia mengendarai sepeda.
We travel to new places.
Kami bepergian ke tempat-tempat baru.
They meet their friends.
Mereka bertemu dengan teman-teman mereka.
I do exercise.
Saya melakukan latihan.
She makes a cake.
Dia membuat kue.
We will start now.
Kami akan memulai sekarang.
They begin to do their homework.
Mereka mulai mengerjakan pekerjaan rumah mereka.
My sister is getting better.
Adik perempuan saya semakin membaik.
The plan sounds great.
Rencana tersebut terdengar bagus.
He is my English teacher.
Dia adalah guru bahasa Inggris saya.
He plays badminton every Sunday morning.
Dia bermain badminton setiap minggu pagi.
They are playing badminton at the stadium.
Mereka sedang bermain badminton di stadion.
Sunflowers grow fast.
Bunga matahari tumbuh dengan cepat.
The food company is growing fast.
Perusahaan makanan tersebut berkembang cepat.
The athlete jumps when his coach blows the whistle.
Atlet tersebut melompat ketika pelatihnya meniup peluit.
Anthony is throwing the football.
Anthony mengoper bola.
She accepted the job offer.
Ia menerima tawaran pekerjaan tersebut.
He thought about his stupid mistake in the test.
Ia memikirkan tentang kesalahan bodohnya di dalam ujian.